MFM crew, it's Sonia. I'm going into the upcycling store. This is a new place that I have just found. I'm out on my lunch, and we're going to go in and see what they have. So let's go. Okay, let's see what they have in store. This thrift shop is a very small, tight place. So it was even a little bit difficult for me to film for you in here, but they have a little bit of everything. They have old stereo equipment, toys and bears and such. And just really tight quarters, guys. The shop was run by an Asian couple. They were very, very sweet people. And down this aisle, you'll see some housewares, some plates and dishes and things. I should have picked up that little blue and white vase. I may run back down there and get it if it's priced right. See, they have a lot of dishware sets. Let's see, I'm not sure what that was. There's a little bit of everything in here. They've got shelves with books. They've got a lot of books in this place. There is clothing, kids' toys. More toys for the kiddies. More books. Very tight squeeze. And there are clothes and shoes and all kind of stuff on those racks. You see on the top of that is some lamps. And some other stuff. I'm not sure what that is. Little tchotchkes here and there. And some pillows. More books. I guess that's pieces of fabric, maybe. Some more dishes. Storage bins, I guess. There's some chairs, coffee mugs. There's some wine glasses of different sorts. Looks like that might be some cutlery down there in those bins, maybe, or something. Not sure. It was just so close quarters, and they had some things for your car. Here are a few other shots of some things that they had in there. MFM crew, thank you for watching this thrift with me. It was a very interesting little quaint place. I hope to see you in the next video, and please do check out some of these other videos for your viewing pleasure.